The straw thing ain't working anymore.
What's wrong with the straw?
It's not working anymore.
Timmy's having vagina troubles. John, why don't you narrate the scene here?
No, I don't.
John, narrate the scene.
I
John,
enjoyed the scene. Shut up.
Matt, narrate the scene. Don't come too close.
Point it there and don't look at me.
Okay.
Fog is falling over Lake Manamana. And drizzle in the distant. Thunder and lightning. Signs and omens of a dangerous storm. They're getting louder, closer. The danger is nearer. And the rain starts to come down in sheets, buckets, torrents, if you will. Not that I don't download illegally. And the sky that doesn't move is raining and storming. And there's lots of agua falling from the sky.
What was that, Matt?
Agua.
Let's fall through the sky.
Agua.
I'm sorry, my audience no habla español.
Fucking translate somebody.
We'll caption it. We'll put some captions at the bottom.
It's amazing how the rain is localized in one particular area in this mall. I think it would be a challenge if you just have the whole thing just rain every hour.
Closing thoughts, Matt? 5 seconds.
Watch
Matt?
out for freak storms when next time you go to a mall.